Good afternoon, everyone. It's a great pleasure to see so many distinguished alumni, respected dignitaries and students and guests gathered here today. My name is Sai Bhargav Cheneli. I am a student member at Students Alumni Cell, Indian Institute of Technology, Karnataka. The Students Alumni Cell is a student-run body under the Dean of Alumni Affairs dedicated.
Thank you.
Students Alumni Cell is a student-run body under the Dean of Alumni Affairs, dedicated to nurture and strengthen the lifelong relationship between IIT Kharagpur and its growing alumni. Before I begin, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Gundala Nagaraju, President of Hyderabad Chapter of the IIT Kharagpur Alumni Association. Mostly importantly, I would like to thank all the alumni for joining us today. About the Students Alumni Cell. The Students Alumni Cell serves as the bridge between the student of the today and the alumni who once walked the same corridors, attended the same classrooms, and dreamed under the same IIT Kharagpur sky. Our alumni has gone on to become leaders, entrepreneurs, researchers, innovators, and change makers across the globe. Our responsibility is to ensure that the connection with the alma mater never fades. And the events of Students Alumni Cell are the annual alumni meet is one of the most cherished events organized by the Students Alumni Cell. It welcomes the Ruby, Silver and Golden Jubilee batches back to campus, giving them an opportunity to reconnect with classmates, revisit familiar places and relive memories that have remained close to their heart for decades. And homecoming, another special event is homecoming, where alumni from the 10, 15 and 20 years graduating batches return to campus. It offers them an opportunity to reconnect with old friends, interact with faculty, revisit their hostels and departments. And alumni talks. One of our most impactful initiatives throughout the year is alumni talks. Through this session, distinguished alumni return to campus to share not only their achievements, but also their experiences, challenges, and lessons learned along the way. And today's event, the Student Alumni Meet, holds a very special place among all our initiatives. It creates an informal and interactive environment where students and alumni can engage in meaningful conversations. And our initiatives are Affinity Program. The Affinity Program collabs with leading organizations to provide exclusive offer and benefits to IIT Kharagpur students and alumni. And Alumni Career Assistance Program. The Alumni Career Assistance Program or ACAP connects students with alumni who have successfully navigated similar career paths. And Student Alumni Mentorship Program, popularly known as SAMP, connects students with alumni mentors who guide and support them throughout their academics and professional journeys. And our publications are Yearnings of Your, Yearbook and Tempo Shout. These publications celebrate memories, document achievements and capture the stories that continue to inspire generations of KGPNs. As I come to the end of my presentation, I would once again like to express my sincere gratitude to all of the alumni for being with us today. Thank you.
I request Dr. Gundala Nagaraju to felicitate Mr. Sai Bhargav, alumni representative.
side, sir. Okay. Yeah.